Welcome to AnVIL. This video will give you a quick introduction on how AnVIL can help with your data sharing and management needs. Except where otherwise indicated, this content is available for use under CC BY 4.0. As of January 2023, the NIH requires that most grant proposals include a data management and sharing plan. Researchers need to detail how they will store and manage a digital data generated by the project, in addition to how other scientists will be able to access it. AnVIL has several features that make it ideal for your data storage and management needs. AnVIL is a repository recommended by the National Human Genome Research Institute for storing genomic and phenotypic data. It can handle all types of data, including large datasets or controlled access datasets. AnVIL also provides ways to store, manage, and make your data publicly accessible. The AnVIL Cloud Workbench has been authorized as a FedRAMP moderate impact system and has FISMA moderate authorizations. You can be confident that your data are secure with AnVIL. AnVIL uses the Teradata repository ecosystem for data storage in the cloud. You can easily set up the dataset basics, like billing and who the data custodians are. Additionally, AnVIL does not currently have a process for deleting or retiring data sets. Data will be available for as long as AnVIL preserves the database. For controlled access datasets, the Data Use Oversight System (DUOS) is integrated with AnVIL Workspaces. This system enables automated, standardized access request review to streamline the process of providing your data to other researchers. DUOS uses a standardized terminology for describing datasets to allow for easy searching. With DUOS, you specify the data use terms and a data access committee to manage your controlled access data. You can use your own data access committee or a broad-based data access committee, whichever best fits your needs. AnVIL is a place for people to access and interact with data without needing to download them, as well as a secure data repository and management system. It integrates data, compute, and community in a way other storage platforms don't. In addition to all these features, we have created an app called DMS Helper, which can help you get started with some example text that references AnVIL's unique features. If you're ready to learn more, take a look at the Getting Started guide. In it you will find step-by-step instructions for setting up your accounts, plus guides on how to use some of AnVIL's other key features. Thank you to everyone who contributed.